red level. I, is, it. A, the, at, in, he, on, she. I is a word as well as a letter. When the vowel is at the end of the word, like it is in I, we call it a runaway vowel. So we pretend the vowel is running away because there's nothing in its way, and it is screaming its name. I is. We're going to sound this one out. What sound does I make? I. What sound does S make? S. Let's sound that out. Ready? We're going to blend those sounds together to make a word. Is. Is. What word do you hear? That's right, is. We're going to sound this word out too. Grab your bubble gum. We're going to stretch out the sounds until we hear the word. It. It. The word is it. A is also a word and a letter. And when there is a vowel at the end of the word, like an A, we call it a runaway vowel. And it screams and screams its name because there's nothing in its way. So we say, A. The. The does not follow the rules. If it did, it would be the-e, but we don't say that. This word does not follow the rules. It's called a red word. It is a jail word. It belongs in jail because it does not follow the rules. For words like this, we stamp them out. So you get your arm and you're going to stamp the name of the letters, and we're going to just remember it. So we say T-H-E spells the. Again, T-H-E spells the. That's a word we just have to remember because we can't sound it out. At. Bubblegum this word. At. At. That's right, at. In. We're going to sound this word out. In. In. The word is in. He is a runaway vowel word because there is nothing in the vowel's way to block it. So instead of saying we say e. E. What word do you hear? He. On. We're going to sound this one out. On. 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 SH together says shh. This is called an H brother word. This is an H brother. So we say S and H say shh. So we're going to sound this out. I also see a runaway vowel at the end of this word. So we're going to say its name because nothing's in its way. Ready? Shh. She. She. Good job. She.